kind of like in the middle where you don't use the flat horn, you know. And then you flip it over. Just try to grab it like this, you know, just like this. And then you go like, you rock it this way. There you go. Looks a little better now. So it's not too sharp. Let's round. Still we have to kind of like change the disc to see if we can smooth this a little bit. I went from 60 down to 15, and same procedure, kind of like in the middle. So that the tip is not going to be too rough. It's a lot smoother now. So I want to work with this too. And the polishing pad. Full blast. Okay. There you go again. In the middle. Kind of like right there. Looks like it's too dry. Let's put some H42. Now it feels a lot better though. Try to do this in the middle right here with this tip, because if you can see you're damaging the polishing pad right there, you don't want to damage it right here. You want to do it right here. This is the area where you pretty much don't use it. You know, now flip it over. And then again. And now you can do this. You can do this. And you feel that it's very nice and smooth. Okay, you shouldn't cut you or anything. Alrighty? So let's see if now we'll grab the end of the tissue. Just close it and pull it. See? It doesn't grab it anymore. See? That's nice and sweet. Thank you. Okay, so you can damage the scissor. So just fold it like this and try to cut the hair. Okay, cut the hair like this, you know, and you'll see that it grabs the hair. It's not pushing the hair at all. See right there? See it? You got it? All right, you just graduate.